What if I told you there's one powerful trick you can use to take your drawings to the next level? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you drawing exercises using negative space. And by the end of it, you'll be seeing and drawing with a whole new perspective. Drawing a chair exercise. Let's start with something simple, a chair. I've cropped the reference photo so you can focus on the negative shapes around the chair rather than the chair itself. By doing this, you'll be concentrating only on the space between the legs and the backrest, and also the chair itself. This technique helps us to break down the structure and draw with more accuracy. Instead of focusing on the chair, let's shift our attention to the negative space between the chair itself, legs, and the backrest. These spaces, like the areas between the legs, form unique shapes that are just as important as the chair itself. When you start drawing these shapes, it forces you to see the relationship between the parts more clearly, which helps you achieve better accuracy. Here's why it works. Because when you practice drawing negative space, you stop relying on your assumptions about what something should look like, and instead, you start observing what's actually in front of you. This is especially helpful when you're drawing from life, where proportions can be a bit tricky and perspective can be overwhelming as well. This makes you concentrate on abstract shapes and actually helps you form the subjects pretty well. By focusing on the negative space, you begin to capture the real proportions and structure of your subject, which leads to more accurate drawings in the future. Don't forget to shade the negative spaces, not the chair itself. By shading around the chair's legs, you'll give it depth and volume, making it appear more three-dimensional. The more you practice this technique, the easier it will be to draw anything with better proportions going forwards, whether it's from a photo or directly from life. If you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Portrait Guru channel for even more tips like this. I now recommend that you watch how I draw the negative shapes and follow along at home. Remember, you can pause or rewind certain parts if you get stuck. I also suggest using a soft pencil HB to 4B for this exercise.